Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweet Arts channel. We are a locally owned baking supply store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cakes, cookies, and more. In this video, I will show you how to make the caramel pretzel bites recipe from our 2017 Taste of the Holidays event. When you visit our website to check out our tasting event recipe book, you will see that some of the ingredients are bolded. These are the ingredients and supplies that you can find in our store. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think by sharing a post on Instagram or Facebook, and be sure to tag us in your post. Continue watching this video to learn how to make these easy molded chocolates. Let's get started. To make these caramel pretzel bites, start by melting 1 pound of milk chocolate candy coating or candy melts. Melt these in the microwave using 30-second intervals, making sure to stir the chocolate between each interval. Fill a squeeze bottle with this chocolate and make sure to clean up any chocolate around the seal of the bottle. Using the mold of your choice, or mold number 5624, fill each cavity full with the melted milk chocolate. Tap the mold on your work surface to help release any air bubbles. Invert the mold over a parchment-lined baking sheet and shake to remove excess chocolate. Use a bench scraper to scrape along the mold to clean up the edges of each cavity. Place this mold in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to set up. While the chocolate is setting up, prepare your caramel. This recipe calls for a soft caramel, but you can also use a chewy caramel. If you have a soft caramel, fill a tipless bag with your desired amount and set aside until the chocolate shells have set up. If you have a chewy caramel, cut off a small piece and microwave for 20 seconds. Add 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream and stir just a few times. Place back in the microwave and heat for 15 seconds, then stir the heavy cream and caramel until it is mixed well. Fill a tipless bag with your caramel and set it to the side to cool off for a few minutes. Once your chocolate shells are set, add 2 of these small pretzel balls to each cavity. Cut a small hole in your bag filled with caramel and fill each cavity 3/4 full. Add more chocolate to your squeeze bottle if needed, then top off each cavity with more chocolate. Be sure to add just a small amount to seal the caramel and pretzels inside. Gently tap the mold on your work surface to settle the chocolate. Place these in the freezer for 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to set up completely. Line your work surface with a piece of parchment, as this will make cleanup easier. Invert the mold over the parchment and gently tap to remove the chocolate pieces. If they do not easily come out of the mold, place back in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and try again. Store these caramel pretzel bites in an airtight container for Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Leave us a comment down below letting us know what you enjoyed about this video and what your favorite Christmas desserts are. Also, be sure to leave any questions down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the new tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. You can find our social media links in the description box below. We love to see your creations and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.